Hello everybody and welcome back to our English tropical garden. So today I've just mowed the lawn, but now I'm going to tackle the tree fern. As you can see here, I've got lots of last year's fronds, which sometimes they stay green if it's not too harsh a winter, but they have died off. So I think it would smarten up the plant if I now cut them off. So yeah, so that's my next job. So I'll start doing that and see you when it's done. So that's that little job done, and this looks so much more glorious now, and the vibrant greens up against the a papyrifus. Can never remember the name, but again, look at the size of this leaf. I can show you, it's absolutely enormous, and this is 1 year's growth. It's amazing, and it's just getting taller and taller each year. So yeah, wonderful plant. Roger will be pleased with that. So hope you enjoyed this little video of how to prune your tree fern, and if you did, please like, and I'll be back again soon.